Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 54. What is expanded flat correction levels? The answer is point B will break above start of A, then falls to C, which will exceed A. BC wavelength can range from 138.2%, 161.8%, and 261.8% of wave A. This is a very important point to be aware of. BC can correct much further down, and this is still a BC correction wave.
Quote number 48. Martin Squart said, "A lot of people get so enmeshed in the markets that they lose their perspective. Working longer does not necessarily equate with working smarter. In fact, sometimes it's the other way around." This means that smart traders trade less, not more. Don't let yourself get caught up in the market.
Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.